Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic copyright and its importance. Copyright law enables authors to benefit from their creative work and foster innovation. Copyright is the engine of progress. It encourages creativity and innovation and enables producers to benefit financially. You may have come across the words copyright protected on many times by when you buy things. They include movie DVDs, music, books, computer software, and a pyramid of other things. The term implies that they are protected by copyright law and only the holder have the right to sell and profit from these products. Why are copyright laws relevant? They are relevant because it takes a lot of talent, energy, and resources to come up with creative new ideas or products, and it is only natural that creators benefit financially from their efforts. For example, a software company has to spend years and crores of rupees to come up with a commercially viable product. It stands to lose money if someone cheaply reproduces the product and sells it for a fraction of the price. This is called piracy. Pirated software not only brings losses to the developing company, but it also acts as a disincentive to others who may come up with new innovative products. What are copyright law in India? In the past, copyright infringements, especially for products made in industrialized countries, with growing awareness about the importance of copyright, there have been a decrease. In India, copyright laws are the preserve of the Copyright Act 1957. The Act has witnessed changes at least 5 times, that is in 1983, 1984, 1992, 1994, 1999 and 2012. The Copyright Act 2012 is the most significant and brings the law in conformity with two WIPO Internet treaties concluded in 1996, the WIPO Copyright Treaty and WIPO Performance and Phonograms Treaty. If any copyright violation occurs, various actions can be taken under Section 55 of the Act. This includes injunction, financial relief, and imprisonment. In India, those found guilty of copyright infringement could suffer imprisonment ranging from 6 months to 3 years, or can be charged with a fine of rupees 2 lakhs. What are the benefits of copyright? So, by doing copyright, the people can use things exclusively. They have a record of ownership. They can prevent the misuse of that thing. Obviously, there is an economic gain, and it encourages creativity amongst others. Thank you.